All right, now, so here's how we got it set up. Just a couple days ago, got done doing a tune-up on her. We replaced some gear oil down in there with some pure AMSOIL synthetic, high-grade shit. I run it in my van. I don't have any problems. I pretty much swear by it. We added a telltale, and here you can see our hookup. I kind of like this setup better than the muffs. It sort of gives it more of a real world environment kind of approach to how everything works. And got everything hooked up. Got a little bit of fuel and oil left up in there from the last go around on our maiden voyage. Unfortunately, towards the end, we realized that the vent plug popped out, so that was the reason why I had to pump out the oil. It was all milky white. You've probably seen the pictures and images, video, etc. if you all are watching my stuff. But we're about to light this candle. I already got the fuel primed, new spark plugs, oil, like I said, and we're gonna see what happens. Right there. Been set for a couple days. Got some sea foam up in there. Let it idle there for a minute or two. I still got some of that sea foam in the gas tank. We put a whole can or two up in there. It's fucking idling real nice.